C, Summer. Yeah, you're doing that. Yup. Hey, we got, hey, details, details, details. Details, Sam, I am. Details. Hey, pick up. Sam, I am. Don't let him get comfortable. Hey, call out the picks. Nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't watch him. Yup. Hey, I like it, Fats. I like it, Fats. But hey, dump back out instead of going in crowd. Yes, sir. Hey, wake up. Hey, pass out. You guys are passing in paint. There's openings.
Don't pass in paint.
It's, hey, you got shooters. Come on. Good read. Hey, I like it. I like it. Hey, you're good. You good, Kels? Yes, sir.
One eye. Get ready.
Hey, pick up early. That's a big shot. Hey, he's pulling. He's pulling. He's pulling. Hey, you're good. Hey, you know it is there. I'm not mad at you. Get back! Shot! 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 Oh! Vaughn, you got 3.
Put a hand up.
I need 1 miss, number 3. Yes. I need 1 more. Hey, don't stand around. Don't stand around. Go through the bigs. Fat, set the pick. Set the pick.
There you go, sir. That's the target, Ryan.
Hey, pick up! Pick up! Shot! Shot!
Yeah. Good steal. Oh, that's the hole. And one.
Hey, we're good. Good fight. Hey, be ready for the miss. Be ready for the miss. Good shot, number 7. Hey, let's go. Don't start getting greedy now. That's the same thing he just did. Off that, you called that in the paint. Hey, play smart. Hey, let's go, Fats. Hey, pick up now. Pick up now. Pick up now. Hey, don't let him walk into the 3. Stop. There we go. Hey, hard. Stop. Hey, Fats. Keep setting them. Keep setting them. Keep setting them.
Back up.
Keep.
Back up.
Yup. You're not moving. You gotta move.
Watch out.
Hey, pick up now. Force left. Shot, 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 shot. Don't too much space. All right, there we go. Hey, good defense.
There you go.
Hey, how many has number 3? Okay, thank you. Both of y'all going. Both of y'all going. Yeah, Fats and no, wait, just wait one. Yeah, you go now. Yup. Hey, Fats. Hey. Good job.
Hey, I got a new man.
Hey, new man. Hey, I need 1 miss, number 7.
There you go.
He's already missed today, though. Yeah, I feel you on that. I feel you. Play smart. And 1. Thank you. I appreciate you. That was a foul, a little bit. I don't know, a little bit. Hey, you know I'm gonna send you the link, though. Hey, take your time, sir.
He gonna miss 1. Hey, you good, baby? I don't think so.
Hey, Bond's a smooth character, bro. He's smooth. He's not even sweating out here, bro.
Make it count. Hey, you got shooter. Not today. What you say? Not today.
He's such a smooth character. Hey, pick up! Advance!
2 in 1 spot. 2 in the same spot.
Hey! Oh, yes, he is. Oh, yes, he is. Hey, they chatting. Hey, let's go. Pick up early. He wants to shoot.
And 1. Let's go.
Don't wait on him.
Come on, get numbers. Let's go.
Excuse me. 3. Luka. Hey, pick up early. Shot. Hey, that's a tough bucket, number 3. Hey.
Don't get it going. Crashing too.
Don't stand around.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, pick up now.
Look at that. Now. You can't let him shoot.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you, they're gonna need a lot of him.
We can't let him shoot.
They're gonna need. All right. No, Kenny. Oh, wait a minute. That might be a height situation. You guys gotta move when he's doing that.
Back up. Nobody wants to drive. Back up. Go to the table, Kenny.
Yeah, go. Yeah. And 1. Rebound. Not. Good shot. Pick up now. He's going. Shot. Force left, and he's going.